One of the ways that females can identify their pelvic floor muscles is actually assessing them directly, which means place that finger right in that vagina, ladies. You can totally do it. It sounds a little awkward and maybe you've never done it before, but totally easy. What you are trying to do is imagine that the vagina is squeezing up towards your belly button, but then you're also squeezing around your finger. That's how you're going to be to really engage those muscles. When I assess on a pelvic exam for those pelvic floor muscles, I often get women that are engaging their abdominal muscles or their butt cheeks, but we want to specifically only isolate those pelvic floor muscles. So when you have something directly in the vagina, it gives you a direct correlation between your brain and those pelvic floor muscles to say, okay, I only want to squeeze these muscles. Women can upkeep their pelvic floor muscles in a variety of ways. So again, I'm a big proponent for seeking out someone to help you do that, right? You go to the gym to exercise your muscles, you have a personal trainer, so let's find a personal trainer for your pelvic floor muscles, which is a pelvic floor PT. I recognize that they're not always accessible. There's great things that you can find online, but again, having somebody directly assist you and being able to find those pelvic floor muscles is gonna be key. While a commercial comes on TV or while you are waiting at a stoplight, squeeze those muscles, right? I'm doing them right now, and I hope you are too. As a beginner, one of the things that you can do to start engaging those pelvic floor muscles is actually doing them while you're laying down. If you can prop your knees up, what that does is it takes away your ability to use those accessory muscles. So, but you don't want to tilt your pelvis. That's one of the things I always tell people. So lay on your back, prop your knees up, and close your eyes if you want to. And again, just imagine that vaginal opening being pulled up towards your belly button, you're again squeezing your finger if you've got something in there. The other thing that you can do, there are tons of vaginal weights out there, right? Now, we don't necessarily need to like squeeze a banana in half or anything like that with our pelvic floor, but when you have something in the vagina, it's again a direct correlation to help censor your brain to say, okay, there's something in there. And then you can feel it. You can feel it move up, you can feel it move down. So there are weights out there that weigh nothing and essentially just have something into the vagina that can make it much easier for you to assess that, especially if access to, again, placing your finger vaginally is not always the case. But that's a great way to start as a beginner.